My name is Andrew Hlynsky. I'm here to introduce the Shabaka installation. I'm a Berkeley music production and engineering grad student. I graduated in 2016 and have been building a lot of these types of installations for both art and corporate clients. This installation fuses movement, music, and geometry in a really satisfying way. I've been thinking a lot about how the musical language and programming languages really intersect, and about how different types of visual languages and oral languages have a lot of similarities. This installation allows participants to design their own geometric shape and then turn that geometric shape into a musical keyboard. They can then play that keyboard by moving their body in front of this projection that's behind me and actually record and take home a little file of their performance. Really looking forward to having all of you try out the Shabaka installation at Berkeley, Abu Dhabi.